We are brother and Dickness Benga Fabilusi from Lagos Province 22. We married in the year 2000. Since then, we have been looking for the fruit of womb. We did IVF 3 times, all failed. But during the convention, 2023, I came with 2 baby wears and 1 oja. I put it inside the poly bag, and I did not allow anybody to carry it for me. I did not tell anybody that I carry something like that. When we are inside the auditorium, I tear 3 sheets of paper. I gave it to my husband. I told him to write the names of our children. He did it, and I joined my own with it. I was waiting for our Father in the Lord to call those who brought their children. Because anytime our Father in the Lord called those who brought their children, I used to cry. But that's 2023 old, I refused to cry. I went to the back when our Father in the Lord is about to call those who brought their children. I went to the back of altar here. I wrapped the first baby wear. I wrapped it like a baby. The second one like a baby. The third one is oja. I tagged the name, the first name with the baby wear. The second name with the baby wear. The third one with the oja. I leaned down and began to pray. I was listening to our Father in the Lord. Immediately when he called them, I stood up. I started dancing with those who brought their children. I carried the baby wear like a baby. I tied the oja like this. I started dancing. I started dancing with them. I don't know, maybe people are looking at me, but I don't look at them. I danced out with those who brought their baby. After the prayer of our Father in the Lord, I danced back to where my husband was seated. When my husband saw me, he was laughing. I said, Mobe. He looked at me, he was laughing. I said, Mobe again. He looked at me again, he was laughing. I said, Mobe 3 times. Mobe means I receive it. Then I pack everything and I carry it back home. 3 months later, God did it for me. I gave birth during our mommy's birthday on the 13th of July, 2024. God gave me Peter. God gave me the piano. Just rely on me. God gave me the piano. Just Loba. This is God's will. God remember me. He removed my shame. God supply what I need for me. I tear 3 sheets of paper. He gave me 3 babies. I give glory to God Almighty. Who did it?